Blessings and more blessing again, my fans. Today I'm gonna cook pap chow with some pieces of chicken breast, the chop suey style. First, I must thank everyone who have subscribed to my channel, near and far. Welcome to the channel. All the fans them from America, Jamaica, the Caribbean, Asia, Africa, Europe, Canada, Central and South America, the Australia and the entire world.
Representing a culture, country lifestyle. Country life is so nice. Yeah, oh, what a crisis we're living in. Things tough, but we're still not giving in.
No, we're not gonna give up easily, my friends. Yes, we have some wonderful folks who have been watching my videos, There are a lot of people from India, some nice ladies like Leila, Kativa, you understand? Cute girl Rani, Charisma, and many more. See? Lots of new family joining Koja Country Lifestyle. Yes, man. Big up my good brother DJ King Yellow, man. Yeah, man, you always been supporting the channel, You have a good mind, my brother, towards the channel.
Give thanks again. Real. Good brother. Great brother. Kojak. Big up again. And more fans. And more fans on top of fans. Millions of fans. Will fire your YouTube country lifestyle channel. With the next.
Many years. Yes, Yellow, man. Yeah, man. Thanks, man. You always been positive towards the channel. Yellow, man, always been saying that, millions of people gonna be subscribing to this channel. So, hopefully, and I believe his words, will come to pass. Because the people in India, Malaysia, in fact, all of Asia, United States, the Caribbean, Africa, and all Europe, Canada, and various countries that love the channel. So, take a look at the pap chow, Fresh pap chow plant in container. Gonna reap. Oh man, I'm gonna pull this one up, and then I'm gonna replant upon the soil. I'm gonna replant one. I'm gonna put back a young one right at this spot. Here's our next one. I'm gonna pull it up and then replant. My fans, I remember when I was planting these pap chow, like my regular fans. The day when I was planting it, they were all looking on and yeah, this one kind of a little bit difficult to pull because I have the camera in my hand. The alone doing the video, so not that easy to pull. Wow. Continue to watch, my friends. Might have to get something to cut it, Gotta get a knife and cut it. Yeah, just cut it with the knife. It's a beautiful day so far. And I've just replanted the pap chow in the same container. Please take a look. This one I just replanted. And see, I replanted this one. Just replanted this one also. I always like to plant things. Big up my friend K. You said, I should always do the cooking videos. Them K my way. Living over there in Florida. And all the other wonderful fans. Them special big ups. Yes, my fans, I just cut up those pop chow, and will put, like all my seasons in, like my scotch bonnet pepper, the onions, I'm gonna put salt, some black pepper, you name it, and tomatoes. Natural from the farm. So good, my fans, to have you watching.
Greetings. This is Ross Rebel coming to you from Los Angeles to Jamaica. And when you tuned in to Kojak Country Sound on YouTube, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and lock in. One love.
Thank you, my good brother, Ross Rebel. You always been watching the videos them from California, United States of America. Big up and bless up and give thanks.
Yes, my lion, big love and respect, see? All the way from Ross Rebel Culture Country. You don't know. Enough time, me I think about the ice, so, hopefully the family doing great and all that things, man. We link up soon, yeah? Ross.
Take a look now at my cut up veggies. They're gonna add like my tomatoes and gonna stir fry the chicken breast, then combine them together. Oh my, this little chicken smells so good. You know what I'm gonna do with me pop chow. Everyone does it different from me when I'm doing that little kind of chicken chop suey. Mine different entirely.
Hey, this is Cam from the Mount Goatmore Cliff Dive podcast saying big up to Kojak Country Lifestyle. Best YouTube channel out there. If you don't know about it, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Big up.
Thank you, my good friend from Cincinnati, Ohio. Yeah, he love this channel a lot. Yes, so my fans, I do my chop suey in a different style. So viewers across the road, this is a good old coconut oil me use and kinda, get a little brown. Fry away, so I'm gonna drop my veggie them now. So we're gonna drop it in. Yes, my fans, I just drop in the veggies up there. Very colorful, that natural organics, everything organics from the farm, cooking outdoors there, and charcoal. If you like this video, please remember to give it a good old thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and every good thing about it. Yes. Big up everyone across Europe.
Well, enough of them, I take care of them well to wealth. Not take care of them health to health. If you not take care of your health to health, oh, you feel enjoy it. Hey, yo, this is original Leather Bantan endorsing Kojak Country Lifestyle. Because, a natural medicine, natural vibe, natural herb, natural food, natural everything. So Leather Bantan endorse thing and say, up and running. Well, enough of them, I take care of them.
Thank you, Lenny Bantan. Real brother up in a UK. Big up DJ, big up artist. Let me go. Yeah.
Bless up, Kojak, bless up. Jalop, respect and blessing straight across the board from original Leather Bantan.
Yeah, man, give thanks, my brother. Saying big up and bless up. Boy, this food smells good. Me telling you, so this chop suey, bro. In the breeze, if you smell this chop suey in this windy, my fans, oh God Almighty, it smells good. Blowing in the breeze. My. Oh God, you see it? The protein along with the vegetable, natural coconut oil, coming from Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel, live and direct. Big up to all them beautiful ladies and the brothers them across the world who like to watch my channel. So hopefully you will subscribe, if you have not already. Subscribe, and share. Tell your friends and family about the channel. Big up and bless up. To raw cars galore. My food ready now. Take a good look now, my fans, at my food. Shelly rice and peas. See it there, my friend? We call it shelly and bread peas when me plant. So you know, reap and shell out. Who wants some? Leave a comment if you want some. My way of doing my chops, so we have a Chinese them do it different from me, but this is my style of doing my own, you know. Big up and bless up, we're gonna share out food and eat food now. So thanks everyone for watching, yeah. And remember to share to your friends and family. Bless up and more bless up from Jamaica. To raw cause galore. The food ready now. Take a good look now, my fans, at my food. Shelly rice and peas. See it there, my friend? We call it shelly and red peas when me plant. So you know, reap and shell out. Who wants some? Leave a comment if you want some. My way of doing my chops, so we have a Chinese them do it different from me, but this is my style of doing my own, you know. Big up and bless up, we're gonna share out food and eat food now. So thanks everyone for watching, yeah. And remember to share to your friends and family. Bless up and more bless up from Jamaica. Dinner now, me just share out some dinner. I'm about to eat some of my food now, my fans. Come and eat with me now. People from America, Europe, Canada, Jamaica, the Caribbean, Central and South America, Africa, Australia, all over the place. Sit there now, my fans. Kojak, chop suey style, my style. So bless up and more, bless up and give thanks, my fans. I'm going to sit down and eat food now, you know.